Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot, where I create delicious desserts that you can follow along with at home. As always, the full written recipe and ingredients are listed down below in the description box. Also, while you're down there, if you want to join the family, click that subscribe button and you'll get 2 new videos every week. Today, we're making pumpkin spice latte cupcakes. This is for all those fall lovers out there who, as soon as September hits, they run to Starbucks and get a pumpkin spice latte. This tastes exactly like that. You have an amazing pumpkin spiced cupcake that's topped with a delicious coffee cream cheese. So grab your scarf, your pumpkins, and your whisk, and let's get to baking. To get started, we have a list of our ingredients: cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and flour, granulated sugar and light brown sugar, unsalted butter and vanilla extract, evaporated milk and eggs, and of course the pumpkin puree. So we're going to combine all of our dry ingredients together in a bowl, whisk those together, and then we're going to set that aside. Now, just to break apart the sugar, we're going to cream the butter with the sugar here. I just want to give the butter a head start, so I just mix it in by hand at first, and then add the butter and combine it together. Then add in the pumpkin puree. And beat that until it's smooth. Now we're going to add in our eggs and our vanilla. And then starting with our dry ingredients, we're going to mix 1/3 of those in, and then we're going to mix half of our evaporated milk in, continuing until we end with the dried mixture. And that's the batter for our pumpkin spice cupcakes. Now you're just going to put that into a lined muffin tray. And I made it all the way to the last one and dropped it on the pan. It made me so angry. Now we're going to bake those off at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 22 minutes. While those are in the oven, we're going to make our cream cheese icing with butter, cream cheese, and vanilla. Combine those all together. Add in our nutmeg and espresso powder, which gives it that latte or that coffee taste. I use King Arthur Flowers brand. And the last thing we're going to do is sieve in our powdered sugar. All of the ingredients will be listed below with their measurements. Now to frost, how pretty is that? You see all the little specks of the nutmeg and the espresso powder inside the frosting. So cute. And then I just top them off with a couple of gold sugar sprinkles. I just think this part is so satisfying. I could watch people ice cupcakes all day long. Look how smooth that texture is. And here's the final result. These pumpkin cupcakes are so moist. You get the coffee and the pumpkin with all the spices. Holy moly. So what'd you guys think? This cupcake is so dense and filled with all those warm fall spices. You seriously can't beat it. These would be great to take to any kind of party. You can decorate them however you like. And trust me, once people try these, they'll be asking you for the recipe. I love the unexpected coffee flavored cream cheese. I've never ate anything like it before. I was really thinking what says fall more than anything, and to me that is a pumpkin spice latte. So I wanted to incorporate coffee into it somehow, just not into the cupcake like it's usually done. That's all we've got this week. But if you all want 2 more wonderful fall recipes, I'll be back next Tuesday. From my home to yours, enjoy.